In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your money out of your Fidelity account. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you are logged into your Fidelity account like you normally would. Then the next order of business is you want to go to the top menu and press over here where it says transfer. Then a menu on the left like this is going to appear, and you just want to go ahead and select on other transfer options. And over here, it's going to give you all the different options you have. You can either send money to your bank account, you could transfer between another Fidelity account, you could bank wire from Fidelity, or you can bank wire to Fidelity. So there is a lot of great options over here. One of the most common ones is sending money to your bank. Basically, that is going to take funds from your Fidelity account and then send it over to your bank account. So let's just go ahead and select on it. Now, when you go ahead and press on this, it is then going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and you need to select the account you want to transfer one. So it could be like a savings account, it could be an investing account, Roth IRA, etc. So just select on it right here. Then you're going to see this option that says select your bank or link a new one. So if you already have a bank account connected, then it is going to appear in this drop down menu. However, you can go ahead and just add another bank account that is 100% up to you. All right, then lastly, it is going to ask you for your actual details. So you can do a one-time payment or a recurring payment that is 100% up to you. And you need to go ahead and type in the amount. So if you already have some cash lying around in your Fidelity account, then you can go ahead and just type in the amount of cash right over here. And if you like to transfer more money than your current cash balance available, you may be able to sell investments to free up the additional cash. So they will walk you through the entire process step by step, and you should be good to go. But over here, you're able to go ahead and get started, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.